Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to having a look at a Sovereign hedge trimmer QJB23. This is the ball gear that we are replacing today. I lent it to somebody and they brought it back to me in this condition. Word of advice, don't lend your tools to anybody. So, and that ball gear sits inside there and it drives the blades. So let me get some tools together and we'll get the casing off, and then we'll get the new ball gear in. Oh, careful, don't want to lose them. Right. Now we take the plate off. And there we go. And right guys, it's a couple of days later now. We've now got the new ball gear in, and I had to wait on parts coming like the gasket paper because I had to order gasket paper. And now, as you can see, we've got the new gasket made and the new ball gear in, so we just need to put the top back on, and then we need to grease it up. Right, let's start putting some grease in. Right, I think that's enough grease in there. So what we'll do now is we'll put the top on, put the top on, and then screw it all down, and then we'll look at the safety trigger. Now we're going to put this spring back into here for the safety trigger. We'll get some tools to get. We're going to need the 8mm socket and an 8mm ring spanner to take the nuts off. If you can see that there, they two bolts there, and that should take all this housing off. So once I've done that, I'll come back to you. Right, we've got the handle and that off, and now we just need to try and figure out how the spring goes back on to here to get this to stick up. So this works as a safety trigger. Guys, that's it all back together now. The safety trigger is up, as you can see, and it's working perfect. Now all we need to do is just make sure it runs. And so let's go for a fire up. Right, that's that little Sovereign hedge trimmer up and running now. That's a Sovereign QJB 23, ball gear replaced. I may just need to change the fuel lines. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring that bell notification, and it'll let you know when I've uploaded another video. Thanks for watching. Until then, be lucky.